How to delete everything on laptop on PC. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your menu and then head over to settings. Inside settings, head over to system. Inside system, you'll find the option where it says reset this PC. So all you want to do is click on this option reset PC. Over here you'll find two options, keep my files or remove everything. As you're looking on deleting everything, click on remove everything. Well, don't toggle on any of the button from here. Simply click on confirm at the bottom. Here in this page it says ready to reset this PC. Also you have to be concerned that resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC. It will also delete any of the apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. And also all the settings that you have changed will get back to default. So make sure you are ready for this change and delete everything. Click on reset at the bottom. Once you click on reset, it will take a while for it to process. And once the process has been completed, it will delete everything that you have got on PC. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete everything on laptop or PC. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.